Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at what we believe to be the best ID holder with a zipper on the market, the Teskyer ID badge holder with lanyard. Whether you're heading to the office, school, or even a cruise ship, this compact and versatile ID holder is designed to meet all your daily needs in a sleek and practical way. Right off the bat, the Teskyer ID badge holder stands out with its thoughtful design. It features 4 card slots, including a clear ID window, allowing you to display your badge clearly while still keeping multiple cards handy. The holder also comes with a side zip pocket that's perfect for storing small essentials like cash, coins, or keys safely and securely. No more fumbling through your bag or pockets when you need quick access. The material is a premium PU leather, which gives it a professional and stylish look, while also being durable and easy to clean. The stitching on this holder is neat and precise, showcasing the quality craftsmanship that goes into making this product. The zipper itself operates smoothly, which is crucial for everyday use, and the large upgraded D-ring adds strength and versatility, making it easy to attach to retractable badge reels or other accessories. One of the most comfortable features is the included nylon neck lanyard. It measures 19 inches long, which is a perfect fit for most users, and is made from durable, anti-wrinkle nylon that feels soft and smooth against the skin. This ensures that you can wear your ID all day without any discomfort or irritation. What makes this badge holder truly unique is the flip cover on the back secured by a snap button. This clever design element provides an extra layer of protection, preventing your important cards from slipping out or getting lost. It's a small detail but makes a big difference in usability and peace of mind. Another great thing about this product is its compact size, 3.1 by 4.7 inches, which makes it lightweight and easy to slip into your suit pocket, jeans pocket, handbag, or backpack. This portability makes it perfect for both men and women who need a functional and stylish way to carry their ID and cards on the go. Beyond everyday office use, the Teskyer ID badge holder is versatile enough for travel. Whether it's cruise ship cards, hotel key cards, or other access passes, this holder keeps everything organized and secure while maintaining quick accessibility. With up to 18 vivid colors available, it's easy to find one that fits your personal style. The overall design balances functionality, comfort, and aesthetics in a way that makes it a standout choice for anyone needing a reliable and attractive ID holder. In summary, the Teskyer ID badge holder with lanyard offers a winning combination of smart design, quality materials, and user comfort. Its multiple card slots, secure zip pocket, comfortable lanyard, and protective snap button cover make it the best ID holder with a zipper you can buy today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.